Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which city hosted the 21st session of the United Nations Forum on Forests in May 2026? Right answer is option D, New York, USA. On which date is World Environment Day celebrated in 2026? Right answer is option C, June 5th. According to data released in May 2026, which state secured the top position in completing housing construction work under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0? Correct answer is option C, Odisha. In which state was a new species of evergreen tree, Humboldtia nairiana, discovered in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Kerala. In May 2026, under which section of the Indian Forest Act 1927 did the Delhi government declare the central ridge area of Delhi as a reserved forest? Correct answer is option B, section 20. Which national park launched its eco shop to empower local artisans and women's self help groups? Right answer is option C, Kaziranga National Park. South Korea's Voyages company will develop India's first mega greenfield shipyard at which location? Right answer is option D, Toothukudi, Tamil Nadu. Which union minister inaugurated the ninth India International Water Week 2026 in New Delhi in April 2026? Right answer is option B, C.R. Patil. India's first low emission zone is being established in which city? Correct answer is option A, Pune. Which mission was launched by the Ministry of Jal Shakti and the Anusandhan National Research Foundation in June 2026 to promote innovation and startups in the water sector? Right answer is option C, Maha Water Program. Which institute, in collaboration with Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, developed India's first plastic waste geocell? Right answer is option B, CSIR, Central Road Research Institute. Which country approved the Mega Padma Barrage project in June 2026 to rejuvenate its river system and tackle water scarcity? Right answer is option B, Bangladesh. Where was India's first algae tree installed to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? Right answer is option A, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Which country is said to become the 26th member of the International Big Cat Alliance? Right answer is option B, Saudi Arabia. According to the first ever State of India's bats assessment, which state has the highest number of bat species? Right answer is option B, West Bengal. Which Indian state launched the Jal Parab campaign in May 2026 to address water scarcity affecting wildlife? Correct answer is option D, Gujarat. In which Indian state was the rare dragonfly species Gynacantha cassiaca rediscovered after nearly 110 years? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. India's first satellite tagged Ganges soft shell turtle was released in which national park? Right answer is option B, Kaziranga National Park. In which state was an incident reported involving the deaths of 8 Asiatic lion cubs due to a suspected Babesia infection? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. From which African country were two female cheetahs brought to India before being released into the open forests of Kuno National Park in May 2026? Right answer is option D, Botswana. India signed an agreement with which country in May 2026 to accelerate work on Gujarat's Kalpasar project? Right answer is option C, Netherlands. India's first hydrogen powered shuttle bus service was launched by the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation in which city? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. The 2.10 long Mahid Tokpur Altor irrigation canal, inaugurated in Ladakh's Changtang region in May 2026, receives water from which lake? Right answer is option C, Yaya Lake. Which bird sanctuary was designated as India's 100th Ramsar site in June 2026? Right answer is option C, Jayaprakash Narayan Bird Sanctuary. In 2026, India's first and largest national AI and digital water summit was organized in which city? Right answer is option D, Bengaluru. Which state government has announced the establishment of the country's first human elephant conflict research center? Correct answer is option D, Jharkhand. In which state's Manas Biosphere Reserve was a new species of Asian grass lizard named Tachydomus altapenensis discovered? Right answer is option A, Assam. In May 2026, which Indian airport achieved the Zero Waste to Landfill Platinum Class 1 rating from the Confederation of Indian Industry by diverting over 99% of its waste from landfills? Correct answer is option C, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. On the occasion of World Wildlife Day 2026, with whom did the Indian Army sign a memorandum of understanding to protect snow leopards? Right answer is option D, Ladakh Forest Department. According to a report from the Central Water Commission, which basin reached the most alarming state due to the summer season? Right answer is option C, Krishna Basin. Which wildlife sanctuary will host the second edition of the Indian Bison Festival in March 2026? Right answer is option C, Dibrigarh Wildlife Sanctuary. According to NASA satellite data and environmental experts, which historic river of the Middle East could completely dry up by the year 2040 due to climate change? Right answer is option C, Euphrates River. What is the primary objective of Project Hanuman? Correct answer is option C, human wildlife conflict. In May 2026, from which location did scientists drill and discover Earth's oldest continuous record of trapped atmospheric air? Right answer is option A, Allen Hills, Antarctica. In March 2026, in which national park was the rare forest owlet considered extinct for 113 years spotted for the first time? Right answer is option B, Kuno National Park. At the Global Water Summit 2026 held in Madrid, Spain, which Indian water utility was ranked among the world's top 5 water utilities in the Utility of the Year category? Right answer is option D, Bengaluru Water Supply and Sewerage Board. Which has been recognized as India's first net zero panchayat? Right answer is option C, Bela, Maharashtra. Which state or union territory launched the Vaman Van initiative to promote environmental awareness? Correct answer is option B, Delhi. On 28th February 2026, in which national park of India were 8 cheetahs airlifted from Botswana released? Correct answer is option C, Kuno National Park. Which Indian students won the Earth Prize 2026 in June 2026 for their discovery regarding the removal of microplastics from water? Right answer is option D, all of the above. Vivan Chauraria, Ariana Agarwal, and Aviana Mehta. Which state officially declared Bacillus subtilis as its state microorganism? Right answer is option C, Kerala. Under which project has Google Alphabet planned to release 32 million male mosquitoes infected with Wolbachia bacteria in California and Florida, USA? Right answer is option D, Project Debug. The Palamu Tiger Reserve, which launched the Vanjeevi Didi initiative, is located in which state? Correct answer is option A, Jharkhand. Which Indian city will host the first International Big Cat Alliance Summit on June 1st to 2nd, 2026? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. When is World Pangolin Day 2026 celebrated? Right answer is option B, February 21st. When was World Migratory Bird Day 2026 observed? Correct answer is option B, May 9th. Hornbill restaurants are being developed in the Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve of which state? Correct answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. In January 2026, which state or union territory declared the striped tiger butterfly as its state butterfly? Correct answer is option B, Chandigarh. In which national park did the cheetah named Gamini give birth to three cubs recently? Correct answer is option B, Kuno National Park. Which organization has launched the initiative to establish India's first bee corridors along national highways? Right answer is option D, National Highways Authority of India. Which city installed India's first microalgae based pure air tower? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Which woman from the Asian region was honored with the Goldman Environmental Prize 2026? Correct answer is option B, Borim Kim. Scientists recently discovered a new species of night frog named Nyctibatricus kali in the Kali Tiger Reserve. In which state is this reserve located? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which union minister launched the Arogya Van initiative for medicinal plantations on vacant lands along national highways? Right answer is option C, Nitin Gadkari. The Chita Andolan is being carried out in which state to protest against displacement caused by the Ken Betwa Link project? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Which wetland sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh was declared India's 99th Ramsar site in April 2026? Right answer is option C, Shekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary. Which railway depot became India's first water neutral depot in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Kankaria Depot, Ahmedabad. In April 2026, where was the foundation stone laid for India's first petroglyph conservation park? Right answer is option A, Leh Ladakh. On which date was World Wetlands Day celebrated in 2026? Right answer is option A, 2nd February. Which wildlife sanctuary successfully revived the population of the locally extinct black buck after nearly 5 decades? Correct answer is option B, Barnavapara Wildlife Sanctuary. Which state had earlier published a comprehensive state bird atlas before Goa became the second state to release such a report? Right answer is option A, Kerala. India's first underwater twin tube road and rail tunnel is planned to be built beneath which river? Right answer is option A, Brahmaputra. Which state or union territory launched Project Him Sarovar to strengthen water security and conserve glacial water resources? Correct answer is option D, Ladakh. Which earthquake resistant building code did the Bureau of Indian Standards reinstate, replacing the IS 1893 is to 2025 code? Right answer is option B, IS 1893 is to 2016. Scientists from the Zoological Survey of India discovered a new cockroach species, Neoloboptera peninsularis, in which state? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. In March 2026, Union Power Minister Manohar Lal Khattar inaugurated the International Conference on Carbon Markets Prakriti 2026 in which city? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Which state is said to become the first in India to receive Praman certification for forest products? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. On which island of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands did a mud volcano erupt in February 2026? Right answer is option D, Baratang Island. Which airport became Rajasthan's first and North India's second water positive airport in 2026? Correct answer is option A, Jaipur International Airport. On which date was World Water Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option C, March 22nd. The National Green Tribunal approved the proposed rupees 81,000 crore international container transshipment terminal at which location? Correct answer is option D, Great Nicobar Island. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated the 120 megawatt Lower Kopili hydroelectric project in which state? Right answer is option B, Assam. Piton de la Fournaise, one of the world's most active volcanoes, is situated on which island? Right answer is option D, Reunion Island. World Penguin Day is celebrated every year on which date? Right answer is option B, April 25th. On which date is World Earth Day celebrated annually? Correct answer is option A, April 22nd. The Equinus Geyser is located in which national park? Right answer is option B, Yellowstone National Park. Which Indian state has approved the country's first comprehensive policy dedicated to graphene? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. On which river are India's first riverine lighthouses currently being constructed? Right answer is option C, Brahmaputra. In the April 2025 census, which national park recorded the highest population of Nilgiri tar? Right answer is option C, Ervikulam National Park, Kerala. In which city was the 15th Conference of the Parties to the Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals held from March 23rd to 29th, 2026? Right answer is option B, Campo Grande, Brazil. In April 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inspected Asia's longest 12-kilometer elevated wildlife corridor. This corridor passes through which national park or tiger reserve? Right answer is option B, Rajaji National Park. which is the only Indian city included in the UN led 20 Cities Towards Zero Waste initiative? Right answer is option D, Varkala, Kerala. The foundation stone of the world's first integrated global university, Vantara University, was laid in which location? Right answer is option C, Jamnagar, Gujarat. Where is the Bhavsagar Center, declared as India's first national repository for deep sea fauna, located? Right answer is option B, Kochi, Kerala. The approved 1200 megawatt Kalai 2 hydroelectric project in Arunachal Pradesh is proposed on which river? Correct answer is option B, Lohit River. Which country has become the top nation in the world for issuing internationally recognized certificates of compliance under the Nagoya Protocol? Correct answer is option B, India. Which Indian woman received the Whitley Award 2026 for conservation of endangered species? Correct answer is option D, Parveen Sheikh and Barkha Subba. According to the India Energy Statistics Report 2026, which state ranks first in India's total renewable energy capacity? Right answer is option C, Rajasthan. In which Indian state has the country's second tulip garden been recently established? Correct answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Which organization is implementing India's first comprehensive carbon trading program? Right answer is option D, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Under the India UK Vision 2035, in which two states will the offshore wind energy workforce be developed? Right answer is option C, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. India recently launched its first national level results based environmental award to encourage pollution reduction. What is the name of the award? Correct answer is option A, Zero Prize. The United Nations approved carbon credits for the first time under the Paris Agreement from the Clean Cooking Project of which country? Right answer is option D, Myanmar. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal inaugurated three major inland waterway projects on National Waterway 2, which is built on which river? Right answer is option B, Brahmaputra. The smave, an extremely rare diving duck species from northern Eurasia, was recorded for the first time at which location in India? Right answer is option D, Kaziranga National Park, Assam. India launched a historic 5-year biodiversity project in partnership with which international organization? Right answer is option C, United Nations Development Programme. India recently withdrew its proposal to host the United Nations Annual Climate Conference scheduled for which year? Right answer is option C, 2028. Mayon volcano, which erupted in May 2026, is located in which country? Right answer is option A, Philippines. In March 2026, Union Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil launched the nationwide Jal Mahotsav 2026 campaign in which city? Correct answer is option D, Navsari, Gujarat. In May 2026, UNESCO partnered with which Indian state to preserve the indigenous engineering technique of traditional Rusum bridges built by the Lepcha community? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.